Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore. Kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabarni. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka barek but pila banlay group ban kuli da ka education loan. Pila aruban syukol lahu number kandai nyo saw san riu pranor. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, arn riwe kandai pra. Dr. Dipankar Das, Ubadai Chief Interventional Cardiologist, Unsawan Hanongba Shillong, Haka Arpinyu Tarik Ujamang Arjar Pulai, Ha Woodland Hospital, Bat Pila Banle Ikandu, Nadu Kapor Katwi Biji Sheneng, Bat Pila Ruban Shukol How number 90890-97907.
Umentri rong ba kajala ukonrat ke sangma ha Jingïalang bakila pathai kubor hadin balawai Jingïalang rakhi shispa snem jong ka Jayau Presbyterian High Secondary School ulong balashai ka sngi ka khatnyau tari ujamang arhajar arpulai ka kunhun menteri Sorkar kan Shong Jingïalang banyakran Halor ka rooster system ha ka sngi ka babut kan dan sa Jingïalang jong ka MDA nangta ka sadan sa Jingïalang jong barok kiseng sain perthai but pat sa Jingïalang bar kiseng bhalang kibalang kinong sen shnong banyakran ya kani kaman Ulai thu baka Sorkar keladap penkre kumno ban pentrekam ya ka rooster system bat hadien bagi kenhun baper kin yoi ya ka jing penkre jong ka Sorkar kin sas ngauhun baka jing artatien jong ki baro kan jano.
See, we have told everybody that the government is preparing a very detailed presentation, and the presentation once seen, which I have seen a very initial presentation and a copy of it. Once the presentation is seen, I'm very sure everybody will be very clear as to what it is and everybody's doubts will be clear. So therefore, we are going to have a cabinet presentation tomorrow evening, followed by on the 18th we are having a meeting with the MDA partners, and on 19th we intend to call all parties to discuss. And after that, since the civil society is very large, so to coordinate and bring everybody and create a space so that we can accommodate everybody, we will be doing next week for civil society, which includes NGOs or church leaders or different Rangba. We intend to also reach out to everybody and share what exactly is roster. The problem is that a lot of people don't understand what roster is actually. Roster is a very complicated, yet a very simple thing, but to understand it is slightly complicated. But I'm pretty sure that once anybody sees the presentation, they will understand things and most will be satisfied.